Hey guys, so we have an unboxing here of the phone I'm most excited about this year, and that is of course the Sony Xperia 1 Mark II. Now odd name aside, this phone has pretty much everything you could want, from a 4K display to what should be some great cameras, and even a headphone jack. So the box is pretty standard. This is the review unit, but it should be the same as the retail. So on the back we have some specs which I'll cover in a few. Alright, so on the inside, we have the Xperia 1 II, which I'll get to in a few. We also have a wall charger, a quick charge with USB-C. So again guys, keep in mind this is a review unit, so this was previously used. If you get a retail, then this would be in some nicer plastic. But yeah, we have a USB-C to C cable. Alright, so we also have some headphones. Now, if you pre-order this, then you're going to get some wireless headphones. Those would be a lot better than these. They retail for a few $100. And we also have some earbuds. Alright guys, now for the phone. Alright, so first thoughts guys, really nice looking design and really nice feel. You guys see that quad camera setup and the headphone jack. Still can't believe they brought it back. Alright, so I'm going to power this on. I'll be back in a few. Alright, so after using it for a few hours, I'm extremely impressed with it. And honestly guys, if things go well with this, like I still have to test out the cameras and all that, but if things go well with this, then I'm definitely going to use this as my daily. I'll show you guys a comparison versus the Xperia 1 in a few, but first I'll go over the specs for it. So again guys, the specs are extremely well rounded. So on the front we have a 21:9 screen, it's OLED and it's 4K. Sony is still the only company making 4K displays, which is pretty crazy because it's been about 5 years since the Z5 Premium. On the front we have one camera at 8MP. And on the back we have a quad camera setup. Fortunately this time Sony did not give us a black and white camera. So instead we have the standard, a telephoto, a wide angle, and a depth sensor. For the internals, the phone has the latest Snapdragon and 8GB of RAM. It also has 256GB internal storage and microSD card support, a 4000 capacity battery with wireless charging, which is a huge upgrade over the Xperia 1. Unlike the international version, the United States version is not a 5G, but it is compatible for most networks. The phone is also water resistant. And on the side we have the fingerprint. Now at the bottom we have Type-C. And again guys, at the top, the mythical headphone jack. The phone also has stereo speakers. And it also has force feedback. Also going to show you guys a brief comparison versus the Xperia 1. Now on video it's not a huge difference, but I do think the 2 is a better design. It's more comfortable to hold, and it's also not quite as tall or as wide due to the smaller bezels. So again guys, we'll be doing a full comparison in the future. But first thoughts, I definitely prefer the design for the two. So again guys, so far really impressed with the phone. Now I'm probably going to be using this as my daily for the next few months. But of course I have a lot more testing to do first. So be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter for more updates. And of course here on YouTube. Alright guys, I'll see you soon.